Hello guys. Yeah. Hello. I greet you from wherever you're watching me from. It's still your girl Dagogo, and today is the 20 of the Green Challenge. Yeah. So we are coming to the end of the Green Challenge, and yeah, today literally very grateful for the opportunity to actually do this. I have 10 more days to complete 30 days, and the journey has not been easy to actually, get up every day, take my water first thing in the morning, and just eat green, anything green that will heal my body. Like, it's literally not easy. It hasn't been an easy journey. There are some days I wake up and I don't want to do it, but I have to do it because that is what will benefit my body. I'm trying to achieve a health goal. Recently I've been falling ill consistently. I've been going in and out of the hospital because of my health, so I had to kickstart a green challenge, something to detoxify my body and heal my body of infirmities, heal my body of any whatever disease that wants to spring up, that wants to keep making me go to the hospital. So that's it. So today is day 20, and I'm so grateful to God. Finally, it is actually coming to an end, and I'm so grateful to God for all the benefits I have actually enjoyed during this period. Yeah, in another video I'll be telling you some of the things that has happened to me along the way, of this green challenge. Yeah, so today is the 20, and I'm having bitter cola, and I want you to join me and eat bitter cola today. Yeah, so join me as I eat this bitter cola. You're going to watch me eat bitter cola and finish eating bitter cola. Some people don't like eating this nut because it's actually very bitter, but it's actually a nut that is a super food that can do a lot of things for the human body. It's something that we should inculcate into our daily lives for a healthier body. You understand? So it's whatever you feed your body, that's what your body will that's what it will actually give you back. Whatever you feed your body, that's what your body is gonna give you back. That's literally what your body is going to manifest. Yes, that's the right word. That's what your body is going to manifest. So yeah, today is day 20, and I'm having bitter cola. Bitter cola is bitter, but yeah, I'm going to eat bitter cola. Please, I'm encouraging us, don't joke with your health. And most of the times, Orthodox medicine cannot do it all. There are some things that Orthodox medicine cannot treat. A degenerative disease, a disease that has been caused from lifestyle, Orthodox medicine cannot treat you. When you go to the hospital, they will tell you, oh, we'll manage the disease. They'll tell you cannot treat it, you only manage it. That's a lie. The only thing that can heal you from such disease is nature. Is when you take nature seriously, that's when you can actually heal from such disease. Orthodox medicine cannot heal you from a degenerative disease like diabetes, like hypertension, like cancer, like a whole lot of them, a whole lot of degenerative diseases. Orthodox medicine cannot heal. Fibroids, Orthodox medicine cannot heal from such things. Rather, they will tell you they will take out the tumor, and when they take out the tumor, it grows back again because you have not changed the lifestyle. It's until you change the lifestyle that is when the disease will go away. If you don't change the lifestyle, there's no going away. So yeah, I'm still eating the bitter cola. So bitter, so bitter. Still eating. My mouth is bitter, but yeah, I get to eat it because it's good for my health. Sometimes health is not about how it feels, but it's about what it can do for your body. So yeah, that's it. Bitter cola eating. I've eaten it. All right, take care guys, see you in my next video. Bye.